All right, got another question from you guys on the channel. You have a 2015 XR550, pretty similar to mine, and you're getting the code C1307. It's an error code popping up on your screen. It's not running very well, and it'll sometimes just shut off while it's idling. Any ideas? That C1307 is your system voltage is high. So this could be something in the wiring harness is messing up, shorting out somewhere. You've got a short somewhere in the wiring harness. You've got a plug that might not be fully seated, fully popped together. It might be a faulty voltage regulator. A lot of times it can just be a loose battery terminal issue. And instead of just using a screwdriver to tighten that down, you'll want to grab yourself a 10mm wrench and snug those down a little bit better. But first I would check your battery terminals, make sure those are tight. Use a wrench, snug those down. And if that doesn't solve your issue, then you may want to go through your wiring harness and check some other things. Make sure all your electrical plugs are plugged in, and hopefully that gets you going. So a lot of times connecting your battery, you'll use a screwdriver like this and you try to snug these down a little bit. But sometimes that won't always get your terminals tight. So I like to use a wrench, or I've got a socket here, and just snug them down a little bit better, because riding around in your ATVs and UTVs, it'll rattle around the battery just a little bit if it's not stuck in there, and tighten those down. And to keep your battery from rattling around, you can get some foam blocks like this to be able to hold that battery in there more secure, and hopefully that will help solve that issue. But make sure your terminals are tight. Just wiggle them back and forth, see if they've got any movement. Snug them down with a wrench and you should be good to go. Hope this video helps you out. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you in this one next.